Well, hello. Today I tried a new brand, a brand that I had not heard of. They're vegan, cruelty-free, Canadian, and pretty affordable. All of these products were gifted to me. They were incredibly generous to send me a lot of stuff. So we did a full face of Twa Beauty. Before we get into the video, I feel like I have to tell you that they gave me a really generous affiliate code. If you use my code jordi10, you will save 10% on your purchase, and they're gonna give me 30%. Usually affiliate codes give you anywhere from 5 to 15%, so this is a big one. Is it tempting to say that it's all the best makeup I've ever tried in my entire life? Yes, absolutely, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm still gonna tell you guys what I really think. Some of these products are a major hit and some are not, but either way, we did get a cute makeup look out of it and I had a good time. I'm gonna try to link to the actual shades of the products that I used in this video because I did notice that the website is really difficult to navigate. Let's do some makeup, shall we? I am feeling a bit rough, but playing with makeup usually does make me feel better. I love putting an oil on my skin before I do my makeup. Ooh, this smells good. It almost smells a little spicy. This feels juicy, it feels plump. It has turmeric extract in it. Maybe that's where the spice comes from. I've got two foundations to pick from. I think this one looks like a better shade match. This is the For You foundation, and this is the shade number 13, and a little bit is going a very long way. I love trying new foundation. I would say this is like between a medium and a full coverage. The finish is beautiful. I really like it. We're off to a good start. These are very big concealers. This is 0 and this is 3. The packaging and applicator remind me of Shape Tape. Let's see how it blends. I should tell you guys the prices as I go. All the prices will be in Canadian because they're Canadian and I'm Canadian. So this concealer is $18 Canadian. And the foundation is $29. That is pretty nice. That blended out lovely. This is a good amount of coverage for being very lightweight. It's not like the most full coverage concealer in the world. I'll add a few highlights just to brighten up the face a little bit. It's clinging to some of my dry skin, but I have to look really close to see that. It's not bad. Now I'm gonna use shade 3 to contour. This almost has like a pinky purple hue, but it works, doesn't it? I think this would work even better on a paler skin tone than mine. The nose is always the real test for a contour color. I feel like it's the most apparent if it's not right when you put it on your nose. It does look a little bit pink on the nose, but I love it for the rest of my face. I think these liquid blushes are what I'm most excited for. I do not have a liquid blush that is this very cool tone shade of pink. I'm gonna use the lighter shade first. It's called So Sweet. This is so pretty. It blends out so nice. I love it. And then obviously also using the hot pink, which is called Hottie. These are excellent. There's a bunch of other shades and these are $16. I knew I was gonna love these. This skin is looking really good. They sent me 2 shades of setting powder. This is 0 and this is 9, and this looks like it's gonna be perfect to bronze with. It comes with the babyest poof. This looks very bright. And it's very finely milled. This is like actually white. But it does come in 16 shades and it's $19. I'm sure some of this brightness is gonna dust away. It's called the smoothing powder. I'm gonna switch to the brush I usually use for powder. That's better. That puff was just laying it on too thick. This is gonna be the perfect powder for setting white foundation. I don't even know how to tell you guys how smooth this powder made my skin look without sounding like I'm lying. I hope that you can just see nice and close. This powder will be going into the daily rotation. I am very impressed. This is the packaging, pretty basic. This is the darker shade. And I'm just gonna set the areas that I contoured. Kind of bring the color back. They don't have an eyebrow product at the moment, so I'm gonna fill my brows in using the Milk Cosmetics pencil. This is the shade Dark Brown, and it's so good. The shape of the tip, you can just get the tiniest hair strokes. Now that I have eyebrows, we can move on to the eye. They do have an eyeshadow palette. I don't have the eyeshadow palette, so we can just use the blush. I don't know if this is eye safe. It blends really nicely because it's a blush. And then I'm using the lighter pink on the lower lid. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the lighter pink in the center of the lid. It does dry down pretty powdery, so hopefully it doesn't crease. Now I'm gonna use their felt tip black liner, and I'm gonna add a very dramatic wing. Really lifted. And lining all the way across my lid. I'm also gonna do a little inner corner wing. This is a nice liquid liner, but it is $18. It comes in all kinds of fun colors. It feels very similar to the Epic ink liner from NYX. This side went well. Is this side going to give me trouble? So far, so good. The angle of the wing is slightly off, but that's okay. They sent me a volume mascara and a definition mascara. I am gonna put on lashes, so I'm gonna try both, one on each eye. This is the definition mascara. It has a silicone brush. It's got short bristles and long bristles on the other side. It's $18. The brush really gets in between all of the lashes. I personally like a really chunky, thick lash. I'm not gonna write this mascara off yet. I'll give it another coat. But it is almost too separated and too subtle for me. Let's try the volume mascara. It also has a silicone brush, but it's a big chonker. The brush is really big, and I am kind of sloppy with my mascara. I like this one a little bit better. It's giving me a little bit more lash, but I'm still a little bit underwhelmed. Let's add a second coat. I'm getting a little bit more length, but it's still just too natural for me. I don't think the mascara is for me. Maybe like no makeup mascara. I'm putting on lashes anyways, so it's okay. You're probably wondering what lashes these are. I can't tell you. Yep. Let's move on. They sent me the craziest looking highlighter. Look at this. This is an all over highlighter. It's number 4 diamond. It's $23. It's like really intense. Whoa, 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 whoa. We need to diffuse the situation. That was too much. It is definitely glittery. If you're not a glittery highlight person, this will not be for you. You could make yourself look like the Tin Man with this highlighter. It's a little dangerous. I'll put a little bit under the brow. That is a highlight. Now I'm gonna line the lips. This is their lip liner in shade 11. It's $12. It feels nice. It's creamy, but it's not too creamy. I'm just gonna soften the edges. And then this is their creamy liquid lipstick. This is a shade 17 and it's $14. It feels like a hybrid between a gloss and a liquid lipstick. I like it. It kind of smells like peach gum. I'm gonna add some extra freckles with my ColourPop freckle pen. And some setting spray and let down my very fake hair. I feel pretty glam. I really like a monochromatic look. Pink, pink, pink. I'm really impressed with this brand. From not having heard of Twa Beauty like a week ago, some of these products are going in my daily rotation. Specifically these blushes and this powder. These I think are the stars of the show. This complexion is pretty flawless. My eyebrows are kind of wonky. What do you guys think? Which products stood out to you? Let me know if you check out the brand. Tell me your thoughts, and if you use my code and you make a purchase, I'm giving you a kiss from afar. Now I have to take a picture for the thumbnail, so wish me luck. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.